I'll guide you through how to use Todoist with Evernote. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Open Todoist.com in your browser. Log into your account. If you don't have one, you can create one first. Once you've reached the home page, click on your profile icon in the top left corner and select the Settings option. Scroll down the Settings menu until you find the Integrations option, then click it. In the Integrations page, go to the Browse section and scroll down until you find Evernote. Click on Evernote, then click the Add button. A pop-up will appear. Click on the Sync Evernote and Todoist option. A new window will open. In this window, click Connect Evernote. You will then be asked to sign up using your email and password. After filling in your details, click Get Started. You will now return to the previous page. Click Connect Evernote once again, and this time, you will be required to sign in to your existing Evernote account. After signing in, click the Authorize button to proceed. Once the connection settings appear, scroll down the page and locate the Save button. Click it to finalize the integration between Todoist and Evernote.